I am happy to convey best wishes and congratulations to Women of Wiki members, Srimati Delina Jojo MLA, who is supporting this Women Power, Global Teacher Award winner Sebastian Panikal sir, the role model leader of this project, and all well-wishers from all over the world. I am Prince K. Alapat, Director, Holy Grace Institute for Advanced Studies from Trichur, Kerala, India. I have more than 20 years experience in teaching English in innovative and interesting method. I have taken spoken English and grammar classes for more than 20 schools in Thrissur Corporation. I have also taught English in TTC institutions in Thrissur. Recently, I have participated in the international conference on English language teaching. I have created some easy formulas in English grammar. For example, to remember perfect tense, I connect it to perfect family. So a perfect family consists of one husband, one wife, and average 2 children. So my formula for perfect tense is H plus V3. H stands for present perfect has and have, past perfect had, future perfect will have, plus V3 form. V3 form of right is